Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base Faucet website, but before, if you don't watch this website, didn't visit this website or didn't watch this video, please watch this video. I just tell you about 10,000 Faucet website that available in around of world, and they pay you instantly in Faucet Pay. That was too easy. If you don't watch this website, please watch this website, okay? And let's get started. This is the new Faucet website I got, and the name is Ifaucet. This website pay you Litecoin every 3 minutes. This much Litecoin pay you, and you can claim it free. And just go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address from here and come here and paste it, okay? And just solve this little capture. Just click I'm human. The capture cam, and this one is a bots. Just click the bots and just click next. Okay, this is finished, I think. Just click check. Okay, check, and just click get reward. This is a get reward, and if you click it, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. And this is the best way you can earn your free Litecoin from this website, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.